Hi everyone, my name is P. Ganesh Kumar. Our college name is Andhra Pradesh Social Welfare Residential Junior College at Channatekur, Kurnool district. This is our group members: D. Melvin Joel, M. Akhil, A. Ramesh, M. Tejeshwar, A. Mahendra, G. Rakesh. Our project name is touch sensor based on doorbell.
This is a traditional doorbell use mechanical push button which we are out over time due to repeat process. They also require contact which may be hygienic, especially in public places or during situations where maintaining hygiene is important. This leads of the need for a more recoverable and touch sensitivity alternative. How do we find out the problem? We observe that push button doorbell often stop working after polluted and used to mechanical damages or out accumulation is the button accumulation during times such as the COVID pandemic. People highlights the problem of contact based system and inspired use to search for a touch sensitivity and solutions. Let me continue, my friend. Yemen.
What do we do this project? The aim of this project is to design contactless and efficient of doorbell system. Is to improve hygiene, durables and convenience by replacing the mechanical push button. With a touch sensor, we can eliminate physical wear and tear and provide a modern, user-friendly alternative. And this project introduces students to the practical use of sensors and microcontroller is real life applications. Components required, sir. Arduino Uno acts as the main control to process inputs from the touch sensor and control the buzzer. Touch sensor detect human touch and sends the signal of Arduino. Buzzer produce the sound of the doorbell. Jumper wise from connecting between components. Breadboard for any program.
Start.
Power supply to power the Arduino. Let's continue my part.
Explanation: the touch sensor based on doorbell. The project works by using a touch sensor that detects when a person lightly touches in its surface. The sensor sends a signal to the Arduino, which processes this input activate the buzzer. The buzzer produces a ringing sound, functioning as the doorbell. Unlike traditional push buttons, this touch-based system does not require processing, these preventing mechanical damage and proving durability. The Arduino code is programmed to detect the digital signal for the touch sensor. Whenever a high signal is received, it triggers the buzzer for a certain distribution, making the ringing a conventional doorbell. The touch sensor based doorbell project provides a modern, reliable, the hygienic solution to replace conventional push button doorbell. It is simple, cost effective, and introduces students to base Arduino programming and sensor interfacing by use touch sensor instead of a mechanical switches. We act to improve durability, received, maintaining, and user experience. This project demonstrated how technology can be applied and students programming to make life more convenient. This is my program. Let's show our project. My project name is touch sensor based on doorbell. When man is come in front of door, the touch sensor automatically buzzer sounds. Let's show.
Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.